What are the new salary thresholds for exempt employees? Imagine working hard all year and wondering if your paycheck qualifies for overtime pay or if you're considered an exempt employee. Well, today, we're breaking down the latest updates on the salary thresholds that determine exempt status. As of January 1st, 2025, the federal minimum salary for exempt employees under the Fair Labor Standards Act remains at $35,568 annually, which breaks down to $680 per week. This is because a federal court recently blocked the Department of Labor's planned increase to $58,656 a year, or $1,128 weekly, scheduled for that date. The court also nullified an earlier increase to $43,888 annually, which had taken effect on July 1, 2024. So, for now, the federal threshold stays at the previous level of $35,568. To be classified as an exempt employee, you need to meet three main criteria. First, the salary basis test means you are paid a fixed salary that doesn't change based on how much or how little you work. Second, the salary level test requires earning at least the minimum salary threshold, which is now $35,568 per year. Third, the duties test looks at your primary job responsibilities, which must fall into categories like executive, administrative, professional, outside sales, or certain computer-related roles. Even if you meet the salary level, you must also satisfy the duties and salary basis tests to qualify as exempt. It's important to remember that some states have their own rules, often setting higher salary thresholds or stricter duties tests. Employers need to check both federal and state laws to stay compliant. This court decision means employers should keep using the $35,568 threshold for now, but they should stay alert for future changes or legal updates. Employers should review their payroll practices to ensure they are correctly classifying employees and paying at least the federal minimum. They should also watch for any new regulations or court rulings that could change these thresholds again. In summary, the federal minimum salary for exempt employees remains at $35,568 a year or $680 a week as of January 1, 2025. The planned increases to higher levels have been blocked by a court ruling. To qualify as exempt, employees must meet salary, duties, and salary basis tests. And always remember, state laws may set higher standards, so employers need to stay informed and compliant with all applicable rules.